Hello, all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are diving into the world of Bot Wheels, a unique robot style diecast vehicle. It was first debuted in 2018, designed by the talented Alvin Chan, who also designed other diecast cars such as High Beam, Wheelie Chair, and Bot Wheels. Before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. It comes with the chrome gold and Luna loader decals on the sides. Bot Wheels stands out with its futuristic design and the unique style. Entire body looks like a plastic and the base is metal. Whether you call it Bot Wheels or Robot Wheels, this car is a must-have for any Hot Wheel enthusiast who are looking for unique diecast car. So what do you think of Bot Wheels? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome Hot Wheels video. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.